Hey there, it's Polly Peters. In this video, I want to talk to you about paleo recipes and give you one simple recipe to help you with the paleo diet. But before that, I want to share with you my story about who I am so we can get to know each other better. I'm currently diabetes free and on a weight and I'm happy with. I've lowered my A1C level to a point where I'm no longer diabetic and I was able to get off those medications I was taking for it. But it always wasn't like that in the past. In fact, I used to really struggle with diabetes and my weight. In 4 years, I lost a total of 7.5 pounds doing vegan, Weight Watchers, low-fat, high-exercise diets, gluten-free, you name it, I most likely did it. My diabetes was so bad, my doctor kept reminding me of the things that were going to happen to me if I kept this up. Things like vision loss, nerve damage, kidney disease. He tried to scare me into shape. But then I discovered something really cool called the paleo diet. And I wish I learned about the paleo lifestyle before I got sick and gained a lot of weight. It wasn't until a colleague at work told me that I found the paleo diet. He said that his neighbor had success with it. I started reading everything I could on the paleo diet. And 3 days later, I decided to give it a shot. I had nothing else to lose and everything to gain. I finally discovered how to control my diabetes, and the weight loss was just extra benefit for me. And I was able to lose the excess weight and keep it off. After I simply used the recipes in the paleo diet, I was able to go from a depressed, overweight diabetic to a normal, diabetes-free, enjoyable life. Now, because of the recipes in the paleo diet, I'm now able to go to the gym 3 to 4 times a week with incredible stamina. Not only that, it's an amazing feeling no longer having to take medication. The following recipe is the exact one I've been using in my diet for the last 2 years. My wish is that it helps you achieve your goal like it did for me, whether it be for weight loss or for diabetes. Now on to the recipe. Today's recipe, chicken and almonds with carrot noodles. The ingredients: you want 1 diced onion, 2 sliced chicken breasts, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 8 ounces of blanched almonds, and 3 carrots sliced into long noodles. I like to use the Veggetti as it's an as seen on TV product that helps slice vegetables into noodles. For the instructions, fry the onion and garlic in a medium-sized pan until browned. Add the chicken, fry until the chicken's cooked thoroughly, then add the soy sauce and water. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. When that's done, stir in the almonds and cover the pan for an additional 2 minutes. And when it's done, serve the chicken on top of the carrot noodles in a bowl. That's the recipe of the day. If you enjoyed this video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to learn more about the paleo diet so you can experience weight loss and improve sugar control, then click the link below the video. Take action and go check it out. Again, click the link below, take action, and go check out the page there.